If you're seeing a Monday.com error 503 or error code 1000, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to work as fast as possible. These are simple troubleshooting methods you can try on your own, and in most cases, one of them will solve the issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page and give it a few minutes. Sometimes a 503 style error is temporary, and Monday.com may just be dealing with a short server hiccup or a loading issue on your end. A simple refresh can often reconnect you without needing any deeper troubleshooting. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in. This clears out temporary session problems and forces the platform to start fresh. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using, then refresh the page again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with how Monday.com connects to its servers, especially if the platform flags the traffic or the connection becomes unstable. After that, try switching to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile hotspot, or if you're on one network at work, test another connection if possible. This helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from your internet connection rather than Monday.com itself. If the error still continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then choose Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. Old cached files can sometimes conflict with Monday.com and cause repeated error messages. After clearing the cache, open Monday.com again and check whether the error is gone. Another useful fix is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then manage your extensions and turn them off one by one if needed. Some extensions can block scripts or page resources that Monday.com needs to load properly. Once disabled, refresh the page and test it again. Also, make sure you're using a supported browser. Monday.com generally works best on Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, so if you're using something else, switch over to one of those browsers and try again. A browser compatibility issue can sometimes look like a server error, even when the site is actually working fine. Finally, check whether Monday.com is experiencing a service outage. Go to the official status page at status.monday.com and see if there are any incidents or degraded performance reports. If the service is down on their side, there may be nothing to fix locally, except waiting for the platform to recover. That's why checking the status page is such an important last step. So, to recap, the best fixes for Monday.com error 503 or error code 1000 are refreshing the page, signing in and back out, turning off VPNs or proxies, switching networks, clearing cache and cookies, disabling extensions, trying a supported browser, and checking Monday.com's status page. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next until the error is resolved. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.